Hey guys, what's going on? Just here. And this is a shocker probably if you didn't see my title. Oh, my last episode. More Rubik's Cube. Yay! So, my last video was originally going to be the end of the series, but with a few comments that I was told to was to continue the series. So I thought about it. I did. And I came up to the conclusion of doing it. So, I came up to the can't pronounce words. Conclusion of doing. So I changed that video to the end of season 1 with some highlights. And here we go. Every 10 episodes we're going to get a new season going. So we're going to start out here. I've been doing the Rubik's Cube. And we have this so far. So let's do it. I did get a lot better for your info. So right now I'm not really speaking, I'm just going to really focus. Determination. I have a clogged nose. Oh my god. This is the camera. So Rubik Cube. I want to finish it. Alright guys, welcome to season 2.